What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat SS06 code. How do you fix it? So if you're getting this error in Snapchat, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, usually the error code or SS06 error code here usually means that your device has been temporarily banned. Now, they may ban your device here due to, like, for example, suspicious activity. Might be like, for example, you entered your password incorrectly multiple times, so that's why they banned you. And also, due to suspicious activity, generally speaking here. So anything that you may notice that you've then done here, like for example, again, entering login details incorrectly multiple times, or even like switching locations rapidly. So like for example, you're in another country, then suddenly you're in another country, so maybe you're using VPN. So that might be the cause that why your account or your device here got banned. So the simple indirect answer or fix they could do here is first is you may want to wait it out. Now, typically those type of bans goes away over time, like after whole day or even after 1 week. But if that doesn't work, like you've already waited like a day or even a week, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first is you could go and just try switching to a different network. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi to access your Snapchat here, maybe switch to your mobile data here and see if that helps. Now, also, if you're using mobile data, vice versa, try using your Wi-Fi here and see again if that helps. Because sometimes they may consider, or Snapchat here may identify your device here as another device, so that could help. Now, also, you may want to open up your settings for Snapchat. So, you want to look for Snapchat here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and you want to go and click on the option here for app permissions, and you want to look for location. Now, if you do see location in here, you want to go and just press on it and click on allow all the time, and just basically allow it and exit Snapchat here and see if that helps. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here. But if none of this actually work, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is to uninstall the app itself. So again, you want to go and exit and want to look for Snapchat, press and hold on it, click on the or drag it at the very top to delete it, or go and press and hold on it, click on the delete button here in order for you to delete the app. Now once you've deleted it, open up Google Play Store, reinstall Snapchat, and see if it helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.